Do you actually know what's in the fuel going into your engine right now? Most people just pull up to whatever station is convenient, swipe their card, and drive off. But here's the thing, not all gas is the same. And the difference between good fuel and bad fuel isn't just a few less miles per gallon. It's carbon buildup on your intake valves. It's clogged fuel injectors. It's long-term engine wear that stacks up quietly until one day you're staring at a repair bill you weren't expecting. Today, we're breaking down 13 gas station brands that can cause exactly that, and the 5 brands that actually protect your engine. The key standard you need to know is called top-tier certification. Stick around because the 5 best picks at the end will probably surprise you. The 13 worst gas station brands. So let's get into it. The core problem with bad gas stations comes down to 2 things: weak detergent additives and inconsistent quality control. The EPA sets a minimum baseline for fuel detergency, but that baseline is low. It's the floor, not the ceiling. Top-tier certified brands go well above that floor. The stations on this list, most of them don't even try. Starting with number 13, Cumberland Farms. They operate across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, and their fuel is not top-tier certified. Complaints around inconsistent fuel quality have shown up repeatedly in consumer forums, and without strong detergent packages in the fuel, you're getting minimal protection against deposit buildup on injectors and intake valves over time. Number 12, Huck's. Mostly found in the Midwest, Huck's is another non-top-tier brand. The issue here is the same pattern. Minimum EPA compliance, no certification for enhanced detergency. For the average driver filling up regularly, that means your engine is slowly accumulating deposits with nothing in the fuel working to clean them off. Number 11, Raceway. Budget-positioned stations rarely invest in the additive packages that protect your engine. Raceway falls into that category. No top-tier certification, and the low-price model often reflects what's going on inside the tank. Number 10, Circle K. Circle K is everywhere, which is exactly why this one matters. Convenience is the whole pitch, but convenience doesn't mean quality. Their fuel is not top-tier certified, and with a network this large, quality control across locations is inconsistent at best. Number 9, Walmart Gas. Low price, high volume, and no top-tier certification. Walmart's fuel model is designed around cost, not engine protection. The problem isn't that the gas is dangerous. It meets minimum EPA standards. The problem is that it does nothing extra for your engine, and those minimums weren't designed with long-term engine health in mind. Number 8, Kroger Fuel. Same story as Walmart Gas. Grocery store fuel centers are built around loyalty programs and low prices. Kroger Fuel is not top-tier certified, and the additive level reflects that. If you're filling up there every week, your injectors are not getting the cleaning they need. Number 7, Love's Travel Stops. Primarily serving truck drivers and road trippers, Love's is another non-top-tier brand. Here's a pattern interrupt worth knowing. Carbon buildup from low detergent fuel doesn't just stack up linearly, it compounds. The longer you run on fuel with weak additives, the harder deposits get, and the more restricted your combustion becomes. Love's fuel won't help you fight that. Number 6, Pilot Flying J. Same market as Love's, same problem. Non-top-tier fuel, and a history of federal scrutiny around fuel fraud and pump calibration, which is a separate issue from additive quality but tells you something about operational standards overall. Number 5, Murphy USA. Often sitting right outside Walmart parking lots, Murphy USA leans hard into cheap fuel, not top-tier certified. If your daily driver is filling up here out of habit, your injectors are paying the price over time. And we're going to talk about the 5 brands that fix that, so keep watching. Number 4, Sunoco non-top-tier locations. Sunoco is actually top-tier certified in some markets, but not all. That inconsistency is the problem. You can't assume the Sunoco near you meets the standard. You have to check. Number 3, Speedway. Widely available and widely non-top tier. Speedway's fuel meets EPA minimums, but that's it. Nothing in the additive package actively works to protect your engine. Number 2, Quick Trip budget locations. Similar split to Sunoco, not all locations are equal. Their top-tier status varies by market, and without confirming your local station, you're rolling the dice. And number 1, Sitco. One of the most recognizable names on this list, and one of the most widely reported for inconsistent fuel quality. Sitco is not top-tier certified, and across multiple states, consumer complaints around fuel quality and station maintenance have surfaced consistently. For a brand this large, that's a pattern worth paying attention to. Now here's the part that actually helps you. Because knowing what to avoid only gets you halfway. You need to know where to go instead. All 5 of these brands are top-tier certified, and that certification is the whole ballgame. Top tier isn't a marketing label. It's a third-party standard backed by automakers like BMW, General Motors, Toyota, and Honda. To earn it, a fuel has to contain detergent additive levels that are significantly higher than the EPA minimum. We're talking about additives that actively clean your intake valves and injectors as you drive, not just passively meet a government floor. That's a real, measurable difference in what your engine experiences over time. Number 5. Sinclair. You might not see these everywhere, but if you're in the Western or Midwestern US, Sinclair stations are a solid pick. They're top-tier certified, their fuel meets consistent detergency standards, and they've maintained a reputation for quality that goes back decades. Not flashy, but dependable, which is exactly what you want from the fuel going into your engine. Number 4. Mobil. Part of the ExxonMobil network, Mobil stations carry top-tier certified fuel across their locations. What sets Mobil apart slightly is their Synergy fuel formula, which is designed to clean deposits on contact. That means from the first fill-up, the fuel is doing active work inside your engine, removing buildup from your injectors and valves, not just preventing new deposits. If you've been running on one of the 13 brands we just covered, switching to Mobil is a good reset button. Number 3. Chevron. Chevron has been top-tier certified for years, and their Techron additive package is one of the most recognized in the industry. Techron specifically targets carbon deposits, the hard, sticky buildup that forms on intake valves and injectors when fuel burns incompletely. Consistent use of Chevron fuel means your engine is getting a steady cleaning cycle built right into every tank. Mechanics who crack open high-mileage engines often talk about the visible difference between engines that ran on quality fuel versus budget fuel, and Chevron is consistently on the right side of that comparison. Number 2. Shell. Shell's V-Power Nitro Plus formula is genuinely one of the best retail fuel options available. It's top-tier certified, and Shell has invested heavily in the additive technology behind it. Their fuel contains nitrogen-enriched cleaning agents designed to protect against 4 types of performance-robbing deposits simultaneously: injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, and carburetors where applicable. Shell stations are widely available, which makes this an easy swap to make. You don't have to hunt for it. And the sleeper pick, number 1. Costco Kirkland Fuel. This one surprises people every time, and it should. Costco's Kirkland Signature Fuel is top-tier certified, available at their warehouse locations, and consistently priced lower than most competitors. The fuel meets the exact same certification standard as Shell or Chevron. Not a budget version of it, the same standard. Costco sources from major refiners and adds their own certified additive packages before it hits the pump. So you're getting top-tier protection at a price that's often several cents below what you'd pay at a branded station. If there's a Costco near you, this is the move. What this means for your engine long-term. Here's the thing about fuel quality. You don't feel the difference after one tank. That's why people dismiss it. You fill up with cheap gas, the car drives fine, and nothing seems wrong. But what's happening inside your engine is a slow process. Every time fuel combusts, it leaves behind trace deposits. The better the detergent package in the fuel, the more of those deposits get cleaned away before they can stick. The weaker the package, the more accumulates. And it compounds. Think about it like plaque building up in an artery. One day of bad eating doesn't block blood flow, but years of it do. Engine deposits work the same way. Carbon builds on your intake valves and restricts airflow. It crusts onto injector tips and disrupts the spray pattern that precise combustion needs. Your engine starts working harder to do the same job. Fuel economy drops, power output drops, and eventually you're looking at a cleaning service or worse, a repair. What technicians actually see in high-mileage engines tells the whole story. Engines that spent their life on top-tier fuel tend to have cleaner valves, cleaner injectors, and less sludge in the combustion chamber. Engines that ran on minimum standard fuel for years look noticeably different. More carbon, more buildup, more wear on the parts that need clean fuel flow to function. That's not theory. That's what comes apart on a shoplift. Now, the price objection. Top-tier fuel is sometimes a few cents more per gallon. On a 15-gallon fill-up, that's maybe 30 to 60 cents. Over a year of weekly fill-ups, you're talking somewhere in the range of $15 to $30 more. Compare that to a fuel injector cleaning service, which runs anywhere from $50 to $150 depending on where you go, or an actual injector replacement, which can push several $100s. The math isn't close. You don't have to hit a top-tier station every single time. Life happens. But making it your default, your go-to whenever you have the choice, is the cheapest form of engine insurance available. It requires no maintenance appointment, no product purchase, and no mechanical knowledge. You just choose the right pump. That's it. In conclusion, the brand on the sign matters less than the top-tier certification underneath it. That one standard is the difference between an engine that stays clean and one that slowly wears out. Hit subscribe for more.